Hello everyone, welcome back. Another band workout, full body, let's work. I hope you find my workouts useful, so let's get started. First, let's inhale deeply. Exhale. First, we'll start with something very simple. We're gonna lie down on our chest. We're gonna work on our hip. So place your resistance band a little bit higher than your knees. Lie down in the back, on your chest, sorry. Arms in front. We're gonna elevate your left leg up. Inhale. Left leg goes up. Here we go. 10. 1, 2, nice. 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we'll switch. Right one. 1, higher. 2, push. 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Same thing towards the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Right one. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Chin on the ground, open the arms towards the side. From here, we're gonna elevate our legs straight up with upper back. We're gonna open wider our legs. And we're gonna drive down, drive up, drive down, drive up. The most important here is keep your legs always wide open. You need to feel the tension in the glutes. Here we go. 10. Open wide and up and 2, higher. 3, 4, nice. 5, go ahead. 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10, and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just slowly arms on the ground. With legs, we continue. Close and open. Close and open. Here we go. 10. Look up. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4. Squeeze. 5, 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more set of this. Up. Great. Elevate your thoracic spine. Open your legs wider first. Look forward. Then close and open. Your wrists should be on the ground. Here we go. 10. 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one will be, we're going to elevate our left leg straight up. Right arm forward. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we'll switch. Left leg forward. Left arm forward. Right leg up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Slowly up. Then change your band position. Lower on your foot. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna drive knees on the ground. First, we're gonna have plank position. Rotate your core lower back, fix everything. Push from your shoulder blades, plank position. And then drive your left leg forward. Bend your knee and drive forward. And right leg forward. Here we go. Inhale deeply. We're gonna do 20, left, right. Exhale. Plank position, let's work. 2, left, right. 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, push. 5, push. 6, push. 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one, we're gonna do the same thing, plank position. Bend our left leg first, hold it tight, and then from here, open towards the side and drive back. Towards the side and back. Here we go, 10. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Plank position. Lock towards the right side. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Okay. The next one, what we're gonna do, I'll do back to you. I want you to see clearly. You just grab your resistance band, nice and smooth, like this, nice and smooth. And from here, we need to push towards the side and then down, engaging your upper back and back. Here we go. Inhale deeply, arms straight up, lock your core, everything should be tight. Open up and drive back. 1, 2, 12. 3, squeeze upper back. 4, nice. 5, 6, push. 7, push. 8, 9, 10. Use your upper back. 11, 12. Release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Same thing, but arms forward. We're gonna drive our elbows towards the side, squeezing your back and forward, squeezing your back and forward. Make sure you're not using your arm, but you're working with your back, so you're squeezing your back. Here we go. 12. Straight arms in front. Let's work. This will fix your posture. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, elbows towards the side. 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Moving forward towards the next one. Right arm should be on the band inside. The left one also inside. From here, what I want you to do is, you just need to drive with your left arm, just squeeze your lat. You need to push with your lat mostly. You should have really good control in your body. Work tight. Lock your core low back, left arm open towards the side. Squeeze your lat backwards. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, go ahead. 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. And then we'll switch. Inhale. Same thing with the right side. And 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Up. Awesome. Inhale first. We continue. We're gonna do first scissors. You should be familiar with this. Lie down on the back. Right arm up. Place your resistance band a little bit like around your ankle. Right leg, left leg. Scissors. 20. Inhale deeply. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it back flat. 9, 10. Release. Okay. Moving forward. On the side. Left legs together. As you can see, I'm elevating my right. Left elbow on the ground. We need to push up with your right leg as high as possible. Take a deep breath. Let's work. 2, 10 times. 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We mix it up with elevating your hip right now. Open up and just hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And then we're gonna switch side, same thing on the right. Inhale. Make sure you're on your hip, elbow, left is working up 10 times. 2, nice, 3, higher, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Get ready, elevate your hip. Lock your core, everything up, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, inhale first deeply. Exhale. Then we'll add some core and then we are done. Lie down on your back. As you can see, open up a little bit your legs. You should engage already your core, lower back. Everything should be tight. And from here, we're gonna switch one by one towards the ground. Legs are bending one by one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 20, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Okay, we're done. Quick one. Let's add some quick mobility. Make sure you're warming up before and finishing with really good mobility after. Down dog, inhale. Breath, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, slowly rotate your pelvis and your hip towards the left. So right side, way forward. Feel the stretch in right side. Back to down dog. Same thing towards the left. One more. Down dog. Towards the right. Down dog towards the left. And back. Hold down dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left knee, left leg forward, right knee on the ground. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Lock your core, lower back. Elevate your arms. 3, 2, 1. Then we switch on the ground. Down dog. Right leg forward. Left knee on the ground. Inhale. Up. 3, 2, 1. Down dog. And back up. Okay, that's it, my friends. Quick, efficient. You can do it almost everywhere, anytime. Wish you all the best. Please subscribe, share, comment. Always thankful. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Peace out.